Hello and welcome back to the Shift Sitebuilder video tutorial series. In this video we'll cover adding new pages to your website. Now when I say a new page, I mean adding a new menu item that links to a new page on your site. In the previous video we covered adding menu items and changing menu items and customizing those items. So be sure to watch that if you haven't already. Now to add a new page, we want to begin at our dashboard. Then from the left menu, click on Pages. This will show us a list of all existing pages on our website. In the top left, we'll click Add New to add a new page. And let's call this one Blog. Let's say we're adding a blog to this website. Now, the first thing we want to do is, after giving it a title, we want to click on this big purple button that says Use the Divi Builder. Now the PowerShift Site Builder uses what's known as the Divi plugin to build pages. So we want to click on Use the Divi Builder. And when we do that, you'll see that it kind of changes our screen a little bit here. Now, there are two ways we can build this new page out. Okay, one is we can manually add sections to this page and add content to each one of those sections, or we can click Load from Library, which allows us to choose from a variety of predefined layouts for this new page. There's quite a few of them. Everything from home pages to portfolio pages to projects and blogs and shop pages and about us pages and contact. The list goes on. These are great resources for those who are not looking to do a whole lot of manual work when designing their site and just want kind of a more cookie cutter basic approach, which there's nothing wrong with, using a template and then editing that. So let's do that. Let's click on Blog Standard. So we simply click on the Load button over here on the right. Perfect. So let's recap. We went to Pages, we added a new page, we typed in the title, and then we clicked on Use the Divi Builder, which loaded this builder here in front of us. And then we clicked on Load from Library and selected one of the predefined layouts for this new page. Now let's stop there and simply click on Publish over in the right hand side here, this green Publish button. What that's going to do is create and publish our new page. Bam, there we are, done. Page published. Now, if we go back to our website and refresh or reload the page, you'll see that the new page isn't here. That's because after we create a new page, we need to then create or add that page to our menu. This is our menu. To do that, we'll go to Appearance and Menus. So here we see our main menu. There's our home, who we are, portfolio, contact us, services. Now to add that new page, the blog, to this menu, from our left-hand column here from Pages, we just check the blog page. This is our new page we just created, blog. And then click the Add to Menu button. You'll notice it adds it right here at the end of the list, which means it will be the last menu item. We can reorganize this as we covered in the previous video, simply by clicking and dragging. Let's put it right before the Contact Us. Remember, we can also nestle menu items underneath as submenus if we simply move it to the right a little bit. So this would be the second drop down of who we are if I left it here. But let's make it a top level navigation item. After we have it where we need it, simply click on the Save Menu button. And now if we go back to our website and refresh the page, there we are. There's the new blog menu item. Let's click on it and take a look. Welcome to my blog. Here is a basic blog layout with a right sidebar. So here we have kind of your basic blog structure layout. You can search existing blog posts. You can search different categories and also view recent comments. Now, of course, we haven't made any blog posts, so there isn't any content here. We're going to cover how to add content to a blog post in a later video. This video is only to show you how to add new pages to your website and then add them to the menu. Let's do one more that's not a blog post or blog page, just so you get the hang of it. So again, from our admin area, we want to click on Pages and then Add New. Let's just call this one New About Us. Or how about, let's say, In the Press. I like that. Again, we give it a title, and then we click on Use the Divi Builder. Okay, now I am going to choose from a predefined layout again. Let's just use a basic About Us page layout. Click on Load, and here's our layout. And then click on Publish over here on the right. Now, these predefined layouts will likely have content that's placeholder or some sections that you just don't need, and we will go over adding and removing sections manually in a later video, how to custom tailor these predefined layouts to suit your new website. For now, again, we're just covering adding a new page. So we've given it a title, we've clicked Use the Divi Builder, we've loaded it from the library a custom layout, and we've clicked Publish. Now again, just because we published a new page doesn't mean it's on the website yet, because it's not. We still have to add that page to our existing menu. So we created the page, now we go to Appearance and Menus. From the Pages column on the left, which lists all the pages you have created, let's put a check mark in the Press page, the one we just created, and click the Add to Menu button. And here it is. It appeared on our menu now at the bottom. Drag it to where you'd like it to be. I'm going to put it right beside Blog, and then click the Save Menu button. Now if we go back to our website, again I'm just working between two different tabs, one with my administrative area open and one with my website open. And we refresh the page. We should see there's the In the Press menu item, which links to the new page we just created. So here is the basic About Us layout we chose. So this is that predefined page layout that we selected, right? Now, it looks like they give it a nice slideshow or header image at the top. They give it some little icons where you can list maybe different aspects of the business. They have this Our Story with this cute little bar graph, and then some team member bios. Now, again, in the next video, we're going to get into how to edit these items on the front end. But in this video, we're just covering adding new pages, which we have done. So now we've added this new blog page and this In the Press page. And that's all we're going to cover in this video. Again, to recap, we covered adding a new page and then adding it to the menu so it appears on your website. In the next video, we'll cover editing these pages from the front end and get into the Visual Builder, which is again where you'll make the majority of your changes while building your new website.